Welcome to Econo Lodge Inn & Suites in Richardson, Texas, near American Airlines Center. Whether you're here for work or play, you'll surely appreciate all we have to offer. It's not far to South Fork Ranch, the University of Texas at Dallas, and Dallas Love Field. Whether here for business or pleasure, you'll like the clean, comfortable rooms and the great service we provide. We genuinely like the hotel business and have made it our life's work. We think you'll also be impressed with our guest service. We choose great people and then train them to the highest possible standard to ensure that they always reflect well in our company and do a great job for guests like you. We sincerely hope our Econo Lodge will be your home away from home in Richardson. We look forward to having you with us. www.econolodgerichardsonTX.com